Welcome to DDS. We're going to test Universal Controller LCS. Is originally unable to power on. After we repair, you can see here the booting is completed. Now we can going to check the absence using this menus. You can enter the password, then you can go into, you can see here. Now is that you can see a load calibration, set recipes, step up, diagnostics. Yes, we can enter into that menus and we can do that calibration. Successfully we are repaired Universal Controller LCS using in industries. Please visit for your industrial repair solutions DDS. Thank you very much for watching these videos.